Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking around the RnineT racer and we're going to be adding a new belly pan to the bottom. There she is. Oh.
What are you doing?
Just carbon fibre brake. So this is our Ilmberger carbon fibre belly pan from Performance Parts, and we paid £420 for it. Just going to get it out of the bag. There she is. Sit under there. And then we've got brackets. Yep, we've got one bracket. And another bracket. And I think this is bolts and screws, yeah. Okay, so that's the Ilmberger carbon fibre belly pan. We're gonna put it on the RnineT racer today. So we've done quite a lot of other things to the RnineT racer recently. We've got some black and red Brembo brake calipers. They look lovely. And we've got the side plates, and we've changed the exhaust. So we used to have these standard headers with the Zard exhaust, and we've now got, I think they're Remus headers. I'll double check that. I think they're Remus headers and the Apokovich exhaust, which looks amazing. And we've also put new indicators on because we had these Moto Gadget ones which look amazing and we love them, but it failed the MOT. So we had to put new indicators. So now we have these bullet indicators on the back and the front, and they look amazing. Oh, and we've got the Puig tinted windshield. That looks amazing as well. And soon to have the belly pan. Actually going to put all these bits back in the box and then go and get the husband. I've given my Estawara a wash and polish today. She's looking amazing. The front bracket. Looks like a wing, doesn't it? Front bracket done. There's the rear bracket going on. It's probably going to stop a lot of mud from going up. on the engine as well, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm going to protect it a little bit. I've got these 4 screws.
For the belly pan.
Yeah. Fitment's impressive.
Did you say good? It's good fitting.
Yeah. Incredible.
It's going to look amazing.
Might as well just move that exhaust clamp round.
It looks like it's floating. Kind of wish the inside was carbon fibre though. Do you know what I mean? Because it's all inside painted black or inside carbon fibre.
You won't tend to see that because
No, I suppose not.
I don't really mean that, but it's kind of a racing part.
I suppose when it's on its side, you don't,
Designed
you
to
won't
capture
see
the
it.
fluids when you're racing, then that's the idea.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that does look nice.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
But look a bit better in the light, but that's nice.
Could almost do with black-headed bolts, couldn't it? To get some.
Yeah.
And it is designed more for the stock headers. So normally
You'd have the headers going.
you'd have a pipe going right there and it kind of covers that up.
Yeah.
But I know what you mean, it almost needs to be painted inside, doesn't it? Might have to just get a rock can on the inside.
Yeah. From here though, it looks amazing. But I think when you get closer up, I think the inside could do with being black. Because you can kind of see it quite well. I think you might have to take it off and spray paint it black or something.
Yeah.
And maybe the bolts, get some black ones, because they stand out quite a lot. But it does look amazing.
It does kind of finish it off though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it definitely does. Oh, it looks good from the front, from here, from this angle. Well, there we go. It's getting a bit dark now, so I think we're gonna take it in the garage and I'll get a few photos maybe tomorrow in better light. So that's the Remus headers off and the titanium one is ready to go on.
You hold it there.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Are you alright the other side still?
Yep.
Oh, look what's crawling by me. Right by my face.
What?
Beetle.
Oh.
It's coming to you now.
Oh yeah.
I'm impressed with that. Look at that fitment at the front.
Yeah.
That's better, isn't it?
Yeah. Much better fit.
Actually, it will sound different because it's got that cross plate now, hasn't it? Didn't have that before. Joining the two headers together.
That'll probably sound better.
It might run better,
Do you
to be
reckon?
honest. Because it creates a different type of pressure.
Yeah.
I think it might run better. Well, it's better with black bolts, isn't it?
Yeah, much better.
Done.
You don't even see them almost, do you?
No.
That's...
And you don't see the white now, do you?
No. Yeah, that looks so much better.
It's nice, doesn't it, now?
Mm-hmm.
See where this one goes in first. You have to keep the white washer, which is a shame, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll have to get some black washers.
Yeah, plastic ones.
Yeah, that looks better. And our new sticker.
Give me this if you like. Should we take it outside and start it up?
Yes.
See what it sounds like.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks so much better. You can see it properly now. That looks good. You can see the blue from the titanium exhaust.
Yeah.
That just fits so much better than that other exhaust. Much, much better. Yeah, that's nice. And the black screws look good as well. Yeah, that looks amazing.
Oh, look at the black screws on
And the 90 sticker looks good. Look at that.
Yeah, that looks so tasty, doesn't it?
That looks good.
I think there's an argument that it could have been slightly bigger.
What, the 90 could have
Yeah.
been bigger? Yeah,
That's 75,
maybe.
I think it could have been 90. You know, just 10
Yeah.
bigger.
Oh yeah, look at the screws on the front.
Yeah, what a difference that makes.
Oh, that makes a
No, I need
huge
to change
difference.
this one. There's a silver one here.
That makes a huge difference.
I think
that
I
looks
should take
amazing.
that big sticker off as well, don't you, on the corners of the screen?
Yes, take the poo stickers off. And what other one? Oh yeah, that one needs to be black, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks amazing.
Where did you hear it?
Yes, let's start her up. Yeah, I think it is going to sound slightly different. It's going to be loud, isn't it, this one? Let me come round.
Ramu kanji, ramu leke, ramu gole, ramu soso. Come to, come see my